Chapter 12. Digestion and Deficiency Diseases. Ponder a while. What happens to food when it goes into our mouth? Why do we give glucose to patients? Do you know about people who get ill because they do not have enough food to eat? Digestion. Our body cannot digest the food we eat directly. It takes the food in the form of glucose. Thus, the food has to be broken down into simpler form to obtain glucose. This process of breaking down the food into simpler form is called digestion. Digestive system. Digestive system is the system related to digestion. The human digestive system is a complex series of several organs that processes food. All these organs are connected with each other. Let us read how food is digested in our body. Diagram. Salivary glands, mouth, liver, gallbladder, small intestine, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, anus. Mouth. Digestion starts in the mouth itself. We chew our food with the help of our teeth to break down it into smaller pieces. A digestive liquid called saliva mixes with the food with the help of our tongue and turns it into a fine paste. Saliva is the liquid secreted by the salivary glands located in the mouth. Its function is to convert starch present in the food into sugar or glucose. Let's do it. Draw the digestive system on a chart paper and label its parts. Glucose can be easily absorbed by the body, and that is how we get energy. When we feel tired, we drink glucose to get instant energy. The patients are normally given glucose by injecting it in their blood. This is called glucose drip. This is done because glucose can easily be absorbed by the blood. Esophagus. After being chewed and swallowed, the food reaches the stomach passing through esophagus. The esophagus is a long tube that runs from the mouth to the stomach. It is also known as food pipe. Stomach. The stomach is a large, sac-like organ that churns the food and breaks down the food molecules with the help of an acid called gastric acid. The food is then digested and converted into glucose and many other substances. Intestines. There are two intestines in our body, small and large intestine. The food from stomach goes into the small intestine where it is digested completely. The digested food passes into the blood through the walls of small intestine and is circulated to every part of the body. The undigested food then goes into the large intestine where water is absorbed from the food and the solid waste moved to the excretory organs of the body for excretion. Fact trivia. The surface area of small intestine is much larger than that of the large intestine. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet which provides sufficient amount of all the nutrients like fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals to maintain good health. Too much or too little food is not good for us. Food rich in only one nutrient is also not good. Besides these nutrients, water and roughage are also important part of our diet. Water helps to maintain the body temperature and is an important part of digestive juices and also helps in digestion. Roughage is the fiber present in the food. It helps the body to eliminate wastes. Deficiency diseases. Many people in the world cannot afford balanced diet due to poverty. Some others do not get balanced diet due to wrong food habits. People who do not get the sufficient amount of all the nutrients from their food suffer from deficiency diseases. Diseases that are caused due to lack of some particular nutrients in a person's diet are called deficiency diseases. The condition arising out of intake of inadequate or unbalanced food is called malnutrition. Protein and carbohydrate deficiency. Carbohydrates are the richest source of energy and proteins help in growth and repair of damaged cells. Deficiency of proteins, carbohydrates and fats result in protein energy malnutrition, PEM. PEM occurs more frequently among infants and young children between 1 to 5 years of age. The two forms of PEM are kwashiorkor, It is caused by protein deficiency. It happens when a child has not been breastfed properly. As a result, the child has stunted growth, protrusion of belly, edema or swelling of legs and face, discolored hair and diarrhea. Such a child should be fed eggs, skimmed milk, porridge, pulses, etc. Marasmus. This disease occurs due to deficiency of proteins and carbohydrates simultaneously among the children below the age of 1. The child suffering from this disease appears to have stunted growth, wrinkled skin, and very low weight. The child cannot move due to lack of energy. This disease can be cured by giving a diet rich in carbohydrates and proteins such as eggs, fish, sugar, potato, etc. Vitamin deficiency. Deficiency of different vitamins causes different diseases like deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi and pellagra. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Fact trivia. A lot of vitamins in fruits and vegetables are lost by heat, light, and exposure to air before reaching your plate. Vocabulary cards. Saliva, the liquid secreted by the salivary glands located in the mouth. Balanced diet, the diet that provides sufficient amount of all nutrients. Deficiency disease, the disease caused due to lack of some particular nutrients in a person's diet. Malnutrition, the condition arising out of intake of inadequate or unbalanced